Hey everyone, welcome to this kind of sneak peek at something that I've been working on. Uh, the idea behind kind of what we're looking at right now is to stand at something like app.telestai.io. We've been building a lot of platforms such as like Lasco, Mercatus, and Zeroa, and those are quickly changing and growing every day, but as we continue working on these small applications or smaller sets of the ecosystem, we're starting to think about ways that we can incorporate everything together in a seamless kind of way. So this is kind of what this product is supposed to do. Kind of take the best of all the applications that we're currently working on and present them in a seamless and easy to understand interface, so anyone can hop in here and start messing around with the application set that we're going to be offering. With that being said, this is kind of the homepage to that. We got a little new snippet at the top coming from like our timeline on the main Telestai site. The idea behind this is just to make sure that all our latest news and updates, whether you're on Telegram, whether you're on Discord, or you're on X, you'll always be able to find up-to-date current information regarding the platform, what we're building, and what we're moving forward with in terms of features and releases. So apart from that, I have some market data here coming from the exchange, which I think is just kind of a cool way to view, like if you're interacting with Telestai, you probably also want to see how the price performance is doing. So a couple quick and easy ways to identify like price, the high and low for the 24-hour period, I think it is, and then we got the volume as well. So below that, we have some icons that I quickly threw together, but Chief and I kind of talked about maybe doing somewhat of a bounty on maybe for the community to come in, and if anyone's really good at graphic design, to kind of hop in here and kind of custom design some nice looking icons for these little temporary guys that I got hanging out right now. But most of these icons are kind of hyperlinks. Like for example, like Lasco would just take you to the Lasco page. Same with Mercatus. The About right now just takes you to the main Telestai home website, which I think will probably remain how it is, but I could definitely see this overtaking the Telestai.io website, just kind of if we have enough information and everything here. But I think at a glance, for people not knowing what Telestai is about, then I think the current page that we have sitting at that domain location is probably ideal right now, especially as a lot of the stuff here is still in development mode, but I think the community would kind of love to see how we're building some of this stuff. With that being said, the documentation does take us to the documentation portal. We'll go ahead and head to this mining kind of page here. Just a quick way to view the current block count, difficulty, network hash rate, and a little chart tracking the network hash rate for the past 24 hours. Then you have the link up here to the top for mining software and pools documentation, which takes us to the documentation portal. I could very well see us having hyperlinks to different miners here or different pools here, but as that information changes, quite a bit as we get more miner support and more pool support, I think I'm kind of 50-50 on, I think leaving it in documentation could be a good way to make sure that everything is managed in a central location, and if we make an update there, we don't have to come over here and make the update there. But that being said, wallets is a little different. I do have like a little wallets page that I put together. Something simple, just like a table, just kind of easy to identify and run through all the kind of wallets that we offer, whether it be the core wallet, web wallet, Electrum, or even just talking about the Discord wallet. Quick and easy way to see what the status of those wallets are, the security, ease of use, and a little description, along with some feature tags as well, so you can know what they offer and which one might be best for you. You can see we have social links down here. Those are present for the entire site. They're just presented in different ways across it, but it's something you'll always be able to find. But yeah, we got this cool background kind of going on here. I just picked this up from Pixabay. Pixabay, or however you want to call it, is kind of a great resource for finding images that can be used wherever, regardless of licensing and stuff like that. But Chiefin and I have been discussing that, in the future, if we're sticking with this kind of UI layout, it would be great if we could also have communities like submit photos to potentially be cycled through on kind of a regular basis, and I think that would be pretty sweet. So, with that being said, yeah, that's pretty much the bulk of what we got going on. The one last thing I'd just mention is the little toggle between dark mode and light mode. I think that's kind of cool, just so that there's a preference there. I have no idea what that's doing there, but we won't talk about that guy right now. I have no idea why he's there, but we'll figure that out when we get there. But that being said, yeah, thank you guys so much for checking this out. Feel free to leave comments under this video with different feedback, or tag me in Discord what you think. I'm really open to a bunch of different suggestions. If there's anything that I can build to present information in a nice, easy to understand way, just like the marketing or even the mining page. If you guys want other stats or other things regarding that stuff, yeah, just feel free to let me know, because I'll be able to get these in before this fully launches to production. And if we can do that and get everyone's wish list, so to speak, onto the product, that would be amazing. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're having a good day, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon.